Hello grade 5 and welcome to the 5th math session and the last one in our lesson, which is decimal numeration system. Before we start, let's make a recall about comparison of large numbers. To compare between two large numbers, we have to pay attention to two things, which are the number of digits and the digits themselves. So first, we begin by counting the digits. So the number that has the greater number of digits is the greater one. Let's take an example. Take these two numbers. First, we have to count the digits. The first number, which is 514, it has 6 digits. The other number has 4 digits. So which one is greater? So 423,514 is greater than 7,789 because it has more number of digits. Second, if they have same number of digits, we have to compare their digits respectively starting from the left. Once the difference appears, when I see a different digits, we recognize that the largest digits corresponds to the largest number. Example, take these two numbers. If I start comparing, first they have the same number of digits, which are 9. So we start comparing the digits starting from the left. Both have 3, then 4, then 5. Then they have both 2 and 1. Oh, look, pay attention. The number to the left, it has 6 as 1,000, while the number to the right, it has 7. So 345,216,345 is smaller than 345,217,345. Why? Because 6 is smaller than 7. So let's start correcting the homework, starting with exercise 10, page 20. Complete the following table. We have to find the 1 millionth digit and the number of millions. We said that the digit is one number, while the number consists of many digits. The first one, the 1 million digit, is 6. The number of millions, we don't have another digit, it's also 6. The second one, which one is the 1 million digit? It's 2. While the number of millions, all the digits in millions are 72. The third number, the 1 millionth digit, is 3, while the number of millions is 403. The last one, we have in the 1 millionth digit 5, but the number of millions is 9,105. We also take the number of billions. Why? Because the billions consists of millions. Okay, keep it in your mind, because the billions consists of millions. So when I asked about the number of millions, I take the number of millions and the numbers of billions if I have. I take the number of millions and all the numbers to the left, which are greater than the millions. Okay, exercise 11 on the same page, which is 20. Arrange the following numbers in the increasing order. We said that first I have to count the digits. If you notice that all the numbers have 7 digits, except the last one, it has 8 digits. So it is the greatest number. In the increasing order, it means from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, so let us compare the other 5 numbers starting from the left. They are having 3 Then 8888, this one has 9 as a digit. It's greater than the other numbers, so we leave it to the greatest numbers. Okay, let's compare the four numbers. We continue. 3333, 8888, 7776. So this number is the smallest one. Okay, so we write it down and we continue. Okay, then if we continue the other three numbers, they have, here we have 333, 888, 777, 677, 6, sorry, up we have 6 and 6, then we continue 7 7, here we have 9, here we have 0, 0 is less than 9. Okay, so the second number is 3,876,708. Then we take this number, then we take this number and we go to the 9, and the last one is having the 8 digit. Let's write them. The first one that has 6 as a 100,000, then this number, then this one, and the last number is 30 million. Okay, let's start with the problems, starting with the problem number 1, which is page 21. I am a natural number. My ones digit is the same as that of my hundreds. My number of tens is 151. Pay attention, my number of tens. As we said before, number of tens, it means I have many digits. Okay, so first I have to put the three digits, ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, then my number of tens is 151. So putting in the tens place, we can put only one digit, which is 1. Then we put 5 in the hundreds place, and we put 1 in the thousands place. Why? Because we said that the number of tens is taking the tens and the numbers above it. Okay, now my ones digit is the same as that of my hundreds, so the ones digit is 5, then the number is 1515. Okay, going to the last problem in our lesson, which is problem number 5. The following populations are of 5 continents. Continents means قارات. Okay, these are the continents and their populations. A. Write in digits these populations. Starting with part A. Asia, it has 3,344,000,000 inhabitants. Inhabitants يعني number of people living in this continent. 3,344,000,000. Look, I didn't forget to use the dashes. Africa, it has 701 million. Put 701, and for million we put 6 zeros. America, 763 million. We write 763 and we put 6 zeros for the million. Oceania, 28 million, so we put 28 and we put 6 zeros. Europe, 509 million, we put 509 and we put 6 zeros. Inhabitants. Okay, going to part B. What continent is the least inhabited? I'm going to put here the numbers so we can see the continent which having the least inhabited. If you see that all of them have millions only Asia has billion. So if we compare the other 4 continents, which are Africa, America, Oceania, and Europe, we notice that Oceania is the least inhabited. Okay, arrange the populations from the lowest to the highest. It means in the increasing order. So the smallest one is Oceania, which is 28 million. Then if you notice that comparing the millions number, we have 701, 763, and 509. So Europe 509, then 701, which is Africa million, then America, which is 763 million, and the highest one is Asia, which is 3,344 millions inhabitants. So this is the end of our lesson and the end of session 5. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.